Welcome to the creative process. Watch as a simple sketch transforms into a masterpiece. It all begins with the first few strokes. Every drawing starts with an idea, sometimes rough, sometimes clear. Here we are, laying down the foundation, making the framework that will guide our artwork. Slowly, the lines begin to shape, becoming something more. Details start to emerge, each curve and line adding depth to the image. At the drawing progress, the character or the scene comes to life. Notice how colors start to fill the page, turning our lines into vibrant forms. So basically, the palette we choose can change the entire mood of the piece. With each layer, the drawing becomes richer, adding those tiny details, the little things that make the biggest impact, brings out the personality of the art. And there it is, the finished artwork from blank page to vivid creation. All it took was time, patience, and little imagination. Thank you for watching this artistic journey.